Let's go ahead and bring in our guests to discuss this. Criminal defense attorneys Joe Tamburino and David Bruno. Okay, David, what do you think? Will Erik go back to prison?
Well, first on the medical issue, look, there are defendants in custody that have medical issues all of the time. And it is normal for them to either get treatment in the facility or to be transferred to other facilities while still in custody. So not every surgery requires a medical furlough, which would gain access to other hospitals outside the institution of the corrections system. So that's number one, as he's probably being able to be treated for what he's going through right now, unless there are some other dire issues that require a medical furlough. Next is going to be the parole decision. So the parole board is going to have this decision. It's August 21st, 22nd. That goes to Governor Newsom as to the recommendation. And then Governor Newsom will have to decide within 90 days whether to follow that recommendation, reject that recommendation, or modify that recommendation. So it could be possible, depending on how long he needs this treatment, that he never goes back to that facility if the parole board recommends release and Governor Newsom approves that release under his authority.
David, final thoughts.
Final thoughts. I mean, when I first heard about the motion for resentencing, I said, never going to happen. And surprise number one for me. You know, surprise number two, I hope it's not going to be the parole board because, you know, while the parole board does have an opportunity to review it, the parole board does not have to recommend release. And that will be the first parole hit, too, in this particular, these defendants. So I just wonder next step. I've been surprised once. Let's see if we're going to be surprised again.
Yeah, we'll have to see. Gentlemen, thank you. Joe, I believe you're done with us for this morning. Have a good weekend. And David, I think you're sticking around with us. So we're going to come back. We're going to cover more news.